Very detailed, textbook-level drug study of Triprolidine, suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing drug study, or clinical reference. Each heading matches your requested outline and is expanded thoroughly. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms, HAB generic name, Triprolidine. Drug class, first-generation H1 antihistamine, alkylamine derivative, sedating antihistamine. Brand names, Actidil, commonly available in combination products with decongestants such as Triprolidine plus pseudoephedrine, Triprolidine plus phenylephrine. Drug forms, oral tablets, oral syrup liquid, fixed-dose combination cold and allergy preparations. Number 2. Definition. Triprolidine is a first-generation antihistamine that relieves symptoms of allergic and upper respiratory conditions by blocking histamine H1 receptors, thereby reducing sneezing, rhinorrhea, itching, and watery eyes. Due to its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, it also causes central nervous system sedation. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Triprolidine acts as a competitive antagonist of histamine at H1 receptors, prevents histamine-induced vasodilation, increased capillary permeability, smooth muscle contraction, sensory nerve stimulation, exhibits anticholinergic, antimuscarinic effects leading to reduced nasal secretions, drying of mucous membranes, penetrates the CNS, causes sedation and drowsiness. Pharmacokinetics, absorption rapidly and well absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Distribution widely distributed throughout body tissues, crosses the blood-brain barrier, crosses the placenta, and may enter breast milk. Metabolism extensively metabolized in the liver. Excretion primarily excreted via urine as metabolites. Onset of action 5 to 30 minutes. Peak plasma concentration 1-2 hours. Duration of action 4 to 6 hours. Half-life approximately 3 to 5 hours. 5. Uses Triprolidine is used for symptomatic relief of seasonal allergic rhinitis, hay fever, perennial allergic rhinitis, common cold symptoms, allergic conjunctivitis, urticaria hives, pruritus, itching due to allergies. Number 6. Indications. Indicated for the temporary relief of allergy-related symptoms caused by histamine release, including sneezing, runny nose, itchy nose or throat, watery eyes, mild skin allergic reactions. 7. Contraindications. Triprolidine is contraindicated in patients with known hypersensitivity to triprolidine or other antihistamines, narrow-angle glaucoma, severe hypertension, severe coronary artery disease, urinary retention, peptic ulcer with obstruction, concurrent or recent within 14 days, MAO inhibitor therapy. Number 8. Before taking this medicines, use with caution in asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, prostatic hypertrophy or bladder neck obstruction, liver impairment, renal impairment, cardiovascular disease, hyperthyroidism, epilepsy. Special populations, elderly, increased risk of confusion, dizziness, falls, children may experience paradoxical excitation, pregnancy, use only if clearly needed. Breastfeeding may pass into breast milk and cause sedation in infants. Causes drowsiness, avoid alcohol and other CNS depressants. Number 9. How to use. Administer orally with or without food. Take at evenly spaced intervals. Shake syrup well before use. Measure liquid doses accurately using a dosing device. Follow physicians or label instructions carefully. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, 2.5 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours. Maximum daily dose, 10 milligrams per day. Children, 6 to 12 years, 1.5 to 2.5 milligrams every 6 to 8 hours. Children under 6 years, not recommended unless prescribed by a physician. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip missed dose if close to next scheduled dose. Do not double doses. Symptoms. Severe drowsiness or sedation, confusion, hallucinations, dry mouth, flushed skin, tachycardia, seizures, especially in children, respiratory depression. Seek emergency medical attention immediately. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking discontinue and seek medical attention if severe allergic reaction occurs, angioedema, rash, breathing difficulty, extreme dizziness or confusion develops, visual disturbances or urinary retention occur, symptoms persist longer than 7 days or worsen. On 13, side effects. Common side effects: drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, nose, throat, headache, fatigue. Less common side effects: blurred vision, constipation, nausea, palpitations. Serious side effects: confusion, especially elderly, hallucinations, seizures, severe hypotension. Meta 14 vital information, patient teaching points. This medication may cause sleepiness. Do not drive or operate machinery. Avoid alcohol. Do not exceed recommended dose. Store at room temperature away from children. First-generation antihistamines are not ideal for long-term use. 15. Other drugs will affect triprolidine. Drug interactions. Increased sedation with alcohol, benzodiazepines, opioids, barbiturates, other sedating antihistamines. Anticholinergic additive effects with tricyclic antidepressants, antipsychotics, antiparkinsonian drugs. MAO inhibitors prolong and intensify anticholinergic and CNS effects. Summary: triprolidine is an effective short-term antihistamine for allergy relief, but has significant sedative and anticholinergic effects, requiring cautious use, especially in children, elderly patients, and those with comorbid conditions. Thank you. Have a nice day.